Hello everybody, Ravi here with my third RITE haul for the week of December 31st, 2023 to January 6th, 2024. Alright, hope you guys have a great day. So, I had to go out and do this deal, the Tide deal, because it got even better. Well, today, some cards got an amazing Downy load-to-car coupon for $5.50 off. There's also a complimentary Ibotta rebate if you have that. Only my sister got it. So unfortunately, she's the only one that got the Ibotta offer. I didn't get it this time around, but it's okay. Not a big deal. But if you have that, definitely go ahead and submit for that. Now, this deal was a little bit more complicated, so I want to explain everything in depth. All right, so you need to listen to my story. First things first. So originally, I didn't want to get these 4 Tide. I wanted to get 1 Tide rinse, and then the 2 Tide pods, and then 1 Tide liquid. All right, so there was no Tide rinse in the store, unfortunately, so that hampered my plan, and I had to rework the deal. So the next thing I did is there is a special, if you go to pggoodeveryday.com, there is a new digital coupon feature. All right, so there is a section for printing coupons and there's a section for digital coupons. Now, I wanted to try the digital coupon for a long time, but then I heard in my Telegram group people were trying it and then it didn't work out and all this, then that. And yeah, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to make this work because, you know, these are really, really awesome deals. So next thing is I had to work with my bonus cash challenge. $48 of Tide and get $12 in bonus cash challenge back, which is 25% back in return. So I really want to take advantage of that deal. Now, the Tide rinse would have been better. I would have gotten an additional $3 in savings. But now I did it this way, but this way actually worked out even better. So let's talk about it. The digital coupon that is on the PG Good Everyday website is for $5 off of Tide pods, either the big count or the power pods, whatever we're buying this week. So that whatever's on sale. All right, so it's $5, and it comes off as something called an OTC payment. So originally I had the QR barcode and that one didn't scan. The cashier was not able to scan that QR barcode. So what I did is I took the link and I put it in a different browser on my phone, and that prompted an OTC payment barcode instead of the QR code. I know this is very complicated. This is very complicated for me. I was learning everything in the store. It took like a long time. Anyway, I got that barcode that I wanted. Now, that barcode works as a payment, unfortunately. So if you're trying to use bonus cash and the payment card, you have to, unfortunately, calculate the bonus cash you want to use first, and then the rest will be paid off with that OTC card. Now, the OTC card was for $5 off of the Tide pods that I have here. Originally, what I was doing was I purchased all this in one transaction, right, in the beginning, and then I asked the cashier to scan the OTC card, which was a big, big, big mistake. Don't do it. So when she scanned the OTC card, it went through, but then when I wanted to use my bonus cash, the cashier was unable to use it. It said that you have to take off the card and void the sale and do it again. And I'm like, oh my goodness gracious. So unfortunately, we had to void the whole sale. And I was thinking that I was going to lose that coupon, that barcode that I scanned. I thought I was really going to lose that coupon or barcode. So I really went to the next register and we did it again. But this time, guys, this is the best way to do it. So I scanned the Downy, I scanned the 4 Tide. Okay. Got that? So that was $12.99, $12.99, $12.99, $12.99, $12.99. This bottle coupon had $3 load to card. This one had a $3.05 digital coupon. This one had a $3 digital. This one is what I was going to use for that OTC payment. So there was no coupon for that. And this one is going to be $5.50 off digital coupon. So since I don't have a coupon for that, that OTC payment will work for that item that I'm not using a coupon on. So that's perfect. Now, the coupons that I'm using, guys, I'm using $3 off for the liquid, $3.05 for the pods, $3 for the pods, $5.50 off the Downy. I'm using the $5 off 15 and the $5 off 25 coupons, right? Purchase-based coupons, okay? So my subtotal was $40.40 after the coupons. Then my tax is $3.64. So my total was $44.04. Now this is where you have to listen to me. Okay, so the next step is when you enter your phone number, click no to use bonus cash. Okay, click no. Have the cashier scan all these items, your digital coupons and your paper Catalina coupon, whatever you have in your basket. Okay, listen to me very carefully. Scan the items, enter your phone number, okay? have the cashier scan the barcode coupon, the buy 50 get $10 barcode, have cashier scan the purchase base coupons. Your digital coupons are going to come off. Look at the total. The total with the tax, okay? You make sure you count that. My total was $44.04. What I asked the cashier to do next is I asked him to use $39.04 of my bonus cash. $39.04. So what he did is he typed $39.04. Then he clicked card payment on his side. Then he clicked rewards card. And that prompted to use the $39.04 of my bonus cash. That went through properly. And then what I did next, your cashier has to be very competent in order to do this. They have to be confident in what they're doing too. They have to listen to you. This is basically what I've done in, years ago, but I'm relearning this again. So after all your coupons are scanned, look at the total, subtract the $5, the OTC payment that you need to use, right? You're subtracting that amount first, and whatever you have left is what you need to use in bonus cash first. First, you need to do that. Use your bonus cash. So I had $39.04. I asked him to enter $39.04. Then he clicks card payment. Then he clicks rewards card. That prompted to use the bonus cash. Now, I asked him to scan my OTC barcode coupon. All right? He scanned that barcode. He clicks finalize transaction on his side. There's a button to finalize the transaction. And then I was prompted to sign the PIN pad. So I signed it. And then the register prompted to print out a receipt, to email a receipt, or now you can do both. I was a witness of this today. Everything changed on me today, where I was able to do both email and print. So I was able to do both this time around. And then I did both, and then I had a printed and an emailed receipt, which is what I love. I love to have both just in case. Now, you have to follow the same steps I just mentioned again. I'm repeating this one more time. Scan the items, enter your phone number, click no to use bonus cash, scan the RITE buy 50 get $10 barcode, scan your purchase base coupon, scan any other coupons that you have, paper coupons or have the digital coupons and whatever. Look at the screen. Your total after tax, subtract the OTC barcode amount, which was $5 for that Tide Pods. So my total was $44.04. I subtract the $5. That comes to $39.04. Okay? Now, what you need to do next is the cashier needs to use your bonus cash first before scanning the OTC barcode. I told him to enter 3904 for $39.04. Then he clicks card payment. There's a button to click on his side. Then there's going to be an option to use rewards card. Your $39.04 will be used and bonus cash. So you're only going to have $5 remaining to pay, which is going to be used with the OTC barcode, which is going to pay for that Tide Pods. All right? Then you'll give the OTC barcode after you use your bonus cash. You should only have $5 remaining to pay. Once you do that, then you're going to be having to sign the PIN pad. Then you can click print both or email the receipt to you. Whatever you want to do. You'll have your receipt printed and everything is good to go. I just used $39.04 in bonus cash. I got back $30 in bonus cash, $10 for buying $50 worth of product, $10 for the PNG. So it's a cost of $9.04. But $5 came off the OTC network card. That's what it says on my receipt. And then I'm going to get back $12 with my bonus cash challenge for buying $48 worth of Tide. And that makes this free plus little money maker. And you can, if you have the Ibotta rebate for this, Downy or Tide Rinse, go ahead and submit that in Ibotta because you can, and it'll be a bigger money maker in the end. If you're doing it the other way and you're able to do it, make it work for you. This way worked for me. I learned something new. You cannot scan the OTC first. You have to scan it last. You got to use your bonus cash first, and whatever amount you want to use, have the cashier enter that in, and then you'll be able to pay with the OTC barcode, whatever you have left. Okay? That's the easiest way that I've learned. It took trial and error in the beginning, but everything worked out, I guess, in my favor, which is great. I'm going to have to try to make a written paper scenario for you guys. I'll do that. Right now, I was just really excited that it worked out in my favor, and I'm really, really happy to be able to do this deal. Really awesome. All right. That's my haul for right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, comment down below if you enjoyed this deal and if you understood the deal. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video, which will probably be the ad scan video for next week. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.